In this video, I'll be showing you how to download all photos from Google Photos to computer. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on any PC you have, whether you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So what you want to go ahead and do is firstly open up your browser of choice. We'll be using Google Chrome for this. Once you're on google.com, all you want to do is press these little dots at the very top right, go ahead and click on them, and then find the Photos application and just make sure you're logged into the right account. Now, once you're here, it's going to look something like this. It's going to show all your different, photos and videos from any of your different devices that you've used and you have Google Photos backed up on. And now all you want to go ahead and do is check the first one, like your most recent one with the little check mark right now. And then go ahead and scroll down all the way to the bottom of your camera roll, and then go ahead and hold shift on your keyboard and then check the final one, and now everything else is going to be highlighted. So the first one and the last one are going to all be highlighted, and everything in between as well. And now all you want to go ahead and do is on the top right, press these three little dots and then go ahead and click download, and then everything's going to download, and then yeah, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.